Hi, will you be having lunch?
Yes, but I'm not very hungry. It's too hot outside.
I know what you mean. It's a scorcher today.
I'm not used to this kind of weather. I'm glad that everything is air-conditioned here.
Hi, my name is Carl, and I'll be serving you today. Can I get you something to drink?
Just water, please, with ice.
Of course. I'll be back in a moment. Would you like to hear about our house specials?
I think I'll just have a salad, bread, and a glass of white wine.
Okay. What kind of wine? Our house wine is quite good.
Fine. I'll have a glass of that.
I'll be right back with your wine. Would you like some dessert? We have a delicious chocolate cheesecake.
I don't think so. I'm on a diet. Just bring the check, please.